In the event of an out-of-hours call from your intruder, fire or CCTV alarm system, why compromise yourself or your staff's safety by confronting a potentially dangerous situation? At Cava Group, we provide 24-hour protection for your home or business. A highly professional security service that is second to none, giving you total peace of mind every time.
Cava Control, Sarah speaking. How can I help you? Right. Okay.
Once we receive a call from your alarm system, we use the very latest navigation and vehicle tracking technology to immediately dispatch the nearest security unit holding your keys. Our rapid response ensures we attend your premises in the shortest possible time and provide you with fast and reliable security protection. In addition to this, our trained operatives in our 24-hour control centre can alert other emergency services such as the police, fire brigade or ambulance if required. All our security officers are highly trained, vigilant and very experienced in responding to any security alert, giving you the very best protection service available. At Cava we provide CCTV monitoring, keyholding services, mobile patrol services, static manned guarding, facilities management and approved SIA training. Call now on 0800 587 2085. Cava Group, securing excellence.